We are covering the fundamental rules of order of operations and number properties for the AFOQT math knowledge subtest. These concepts are the bedrock of nearly every calculation you'll perform, and mastering them is non-negotiable for a high score. The math knowledge subtest gives you just 22 minutes for 25 questions, so speed and accuracy are paramount. The order of operations, universally remembered by the acronym PEMDAS, dictates the sequence you must follow: parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. A critical exam trap that many fall into is assuming multiplication always comes before division, and addition before subtraction. This is incorrect. Multiplication and division have equal priority and are solved from left to right as they appear in the problem. The same left-to-right rule applies to addition and subtraction. For example, in the problem 20 divided by 5 times 2, you must solve from left to right. 20 divided by 5 is 4, and 4 times 2 is 8. If you incorrectly multiplied 5 by 2 first, you would get 10, and 20 divided by 10 is 2, a completely different and wrong answer. This is a common way the AFOQT will test your precision under pressure. Similarly, for 10 minus 3 plus 4, you calculate 10 minus 3 to get 7, then add 4 to get 11. You do not add 3 and 4 first. Beyond PEMDAS, number properties are your secret weapon for saving time. Divisibility rules are a classic example. Instead of wasting 30 seconds on long division, you can instantly know if a number is divisible by 3 or 9. For the rule of 3, if the sum of a number's digits is divisible by 3, the number itself is. For 9, it's the same concept. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, the number is 2. Consider the number 5,184. Is it divisible by 9? Simply add the digits. 5 plus 1 plus 8 plus 4 equals 18. Since 18 is divisible by 9, you know 5,184 is as well, without any complex calculation. Prime factorization is another key skill. It's the process of breaking a number down into its prime number components. This is incredibly useful for simplifying large fractions or finding the least common multiple. For example, to simplify the fraction 84 over 126, you could find their prime factors. 84 is 2 times 2 times 3 times 7, and 126 is 2 times 3 times 3 times 7. By canceling out the common factors of 2, 3, and 7, you are left with 2 over 3. This is much faster and less error-prone than trying to find the greatest common divisor through trial and error. A final trap involves integers, especially negative signs within parentheses. In a problem like 15 minus the quantity -4 times 2, you must resolve the parentheses first. -4 times 2 is -8. The problem becomes 15 minus -8, which simplifies to 15 plus 8, equaling 23. A single sign error will lead you directly to a wrong answer choice. For a memorable phrase, remember this for PEMDAS: please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, but always recall that dear Aunt division multiplication and Aunt Sally addition subtraction are equals and always work from left to right. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.